Okay, we do have a question from the audience. Let me turn to that, and it's basically talking about liquidity, and the question that talks about the institutional ownership and basically asks how much is non-trading cornerstone investors and how much is tradable. Can you just talk about liquidity as a whole of your stock?
Yeah, I think you're probably looking at about 25% of it that's not in the float or in the active float. Probably was a little bit higher, but we've got a very good core group of shareholders, both on the retail side and on the institutional side. Maybe a little bit higher, maybe 35. It's like anything else. When you're 6 or 7 cents for decades, or for a decade, better part of a decade, and then you get the shoe off of your back and you get close to $1 or at $1. Some people are going to take profits, obviously. And we expect to see that rotation in and out. It's very difficult with the volatility and liquidity that's come into the market to keep track of who those shareholders are. We try and maintain good communications with all of our shareholders, regardless of size. But obviously, when the market's taken on such a dynamic renaissance as it has in the last few weeks and months, it's very difficult to keep track of all of them and talk to all of them. But I would think somewhere in that 25 to 35% is probably very solid long-term, not selling no matter what type of, or at least not till fruition, shall we say.